How's it going, everyone? On today's Truth Rage, we're talking about people that cough and sneeze without covering their mouth. I was in the store the other day and some guy kept coughing everywhere like he was a germ fire hose, contaminating as much air as possible. How hard is it to cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze? Is it that difficult to have some consideration for the people around you? What's even worse is the people that sneeze into their hands and then they start touching things. Do they not understand that there's no point in doing that if you're going to start touching everything? Then there's the complete opposite, which is the people that use hand sanitizer all day and smell like lemons and alcohol. I doubt that hand sanitizer is going to save you from the guy coughing and sneezing in your face. That's my truth rage. See ya.